Hey guys, so from the title of this video you can see that I am redecorating my room. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I figured, why not? And also, like, my bed, well, the bed I had, it broke, so I had to buy a new bed. So I figured, well, I'm buying a new bed, I might as well paint my room while I'm at it. So I started this process yesterday. Today's Sunday. So yesterday I started painting my room. It used to be pink, and then this wall over here was like a hot pink. You can kind of still see it, but I'm painting it this nice like light blue. So today I have to go to the store, buy some more paint because I'm running out. So I'm gonna finish painting today, and I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna put my bed together and put my room back the way it was. So I guess I'm gonna take you guys to the store with me. I'm gonna record a little bit of the whole painting process, but I'm not like using a paint roller or anything. My dad has a sprayer, so I'm using that. And then I have to go over like the baseboards and stuff, and we have to get paint off the floor, but I'm probably gonna make my little sister do that while I finish painting. And then I'm gonna record me putting my bed together, but in like a time lapse, but yeah, thanks for coming along this journey with me. Okay, so this process is taking a lot longer than I thought it would, because everybody named Mother is in here trying to buy paint, but it's cool. Alright y'all, so even though I used the sprayer to paint my walls, it would like splatter on the walls, so we were going over it with the roller afterwards, just kind of to smooth all the paint out.
2 hours later.
Alright, I look real dusty, but I finished the whole wall. My whole room is painted. My sister's painting the door for me. I just gotta paint, like redo all the trim and the ceiling stuff that I messed up, and then paint this door, and then I'm done painting. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours, and then I gotta put everything back and then do my bed. as I was like cleaning out my closet, my phone stopped recording. So what you see is just me like pulling stuff out the top of my closet so I can put like my Uggs and stuff up there. And then I ended up pulling out this tub that had like all my sweatpants, like extra sweatpants and stuff that wouldn't fit in my drawers. So I just went through there, put the rest of like my boots and stuff in there. And then I proceeded to finally like get the clothes out of my closet that I'm no longer wearing to give away. So I did that. And then I took pictures of these shoes that I'm trying to sell and put those on Poshmark. And then after that, I just took a break and went on a little rant, which you're about to see. Honestly, y'all, this whole redecorating process has just taken a lot longer than I feel like it was really supposed to. So today's May 21st. I painted my room and put my bed together May 1st and 2nd, I think. So that was literally like 3 weeks ago. And then I had to wait. I had to get a box spring for my bed. That came like the end of that week. So like the 8th, 9th. That was easy. They installed it for me. I just put my mattress back on and boom. But then I was like, after that, I mean, really the only thing left to do was for me to get my ceiling painted, which I was going to leave it the way it was. Like, it just had a little bit of blue paint on it. But my cousin said he would come paint it for me. And then my dad said he would buy me a new ceiling fan because the ceiling fan I had was real janky. So, I mean, I was really just waiting for that to happen. And that didn't happen until last week and yesterday. So my cousin came and painted my ceiling last week. And he came back and put my ceiling fan up for me yesterday. But I'm just like, why is this process really taking the whole month? Like, I don't know. And so it's really taking me a long time to like get this video together because I didn't want to put it up until everything was done. And I really wanted it to be like a redecorating kind of spring cleaning type thing. So today I've been like going through clothes, putting them in bags, really like cleaning my room so it'll look nice, you know? Which that itself is a process that I really don't like doing. Like I'm pretty much done cleaning, but I just need to fold clothes, put them away, and make my bed. But it's just like, this is just, I don't ever want to go through this process again. Like, it's just so much work. But, you know, I'm going to feel a lot better once my room is organized and clean and everything's put away where it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to think about all the good vibes that are going to come after my room is done. So right after I made that rain video to add to this, my cousin called me and asked me to come over and help her do my aunt's hair. So I did that and I just like took a break. Sorry, y'all. My brother is like putting his bed together. But I went to my aunt's house, like comb her hair for her. And then I just watched a couple Lifetime movies with them just for me to like get out the house, forget about the fact that I need to clean my room. And then I came back and I finished cleaning. So I cleaned my bed off, folded and put away my clothes and stuff. And so now my room is done. But I mean, there's like a couple more things I want to like actually put in my room. Like, I want to put a rug in my room, but rugs are expensive. And also, like, I don't know if I really need the rug or if I don't know, like, I don't know, it's weird. And then I got some new blinds, so I need to put those up. But I mean, for the most part, my room is done. Like, decoration wise, this is the cleanest it's been in who knows how long. And hopefully like I can keep it this way, but I'm really like pleased with the way my room looks. like I actually want to like be in my room. And I guess for me now, since everything is so like crazy in life, like I really want my room to be just like a place for me to decompress and just a place for me to want to be in. So I feel like now that like my room is painted and I have like some new stuff in here and it's clean, I feel a lot better about like being in my room and wanting to like do things in here. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys.